What is going on here? One thing about Musam Saleko, he will expose you. So anyway, guys, so let's get to start of today. The rest of the hustle, someone and Pizza Wasela. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. Oh, I love you. So yesterday, people were very surprised when Musam Saleko posted his ex-wife because, guys, everybody was watching, saying goodbye to Mangwabe. People know Mangwabe as Musam Saleko's ex-wife. She did say, "Oh, this is my last family trip with them, Selekos." And people thought, "Aibo, Umangwabe, she will come to season 9 as a Musam Selekos ex-wife." So yesterday, Musam Seleko posted these beautiful pictures. As you can see, Umangwabe no Musa. And people are saying, "Aibo, we Mangwabe, you need to come here and apologize because you've been telling us, when we are humble, maybe this is the last dinner, no Musam Seleko." People are saying that uMangwabe uzothini if they are coming back for season 9 because she's been telling us ukuthi yena uyahamba and she's still here. So people are saying ukuthi hayibo Mangwabe, apologize to us. We do understand as women. Sometimes we have this thing of saying ukuthi thina siyahamba. All the season uMangwabe, she's been telling us ukuthi yena uyahamba, and season 8 we thought, you know what, this is a goodbye. Everybody was so happy, especially women. They were saying ukuthi, you know what, you are teaching us to choose ourselves. Manje nangu motivational speaker ukhona uMangwabe, she's still with her husband. Sometimes you'll watch this reality show thinking good, now you can do what they are doing. Kanti bona, they are just here to act, guys. They love each other. One thing about Mangwabe and Musa, they love each other. Even Maine, guys, you will think good, I mean, these two are going through a lot, and they're just showing us good bona, they are fine. It's us who are not okay, guys. But anyway, guys, it is what it is. I cannot wait to see Mangwabe season 9, guys. I don't know what she's gonna say because her storyline, it was. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I guess we listen, we don't judge. I do understand Mangwabe. If you still love your husband, don't divorce him. So anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.